going to look at now is percentage change. So we're going to look at what happens when values change and how we determine what the percentage change is. So our two examples, the first example, we've got a block of land and we bought it for $80,000 and we're going to sell it later on for $120,000. So we want to look at how much percentage increase we've had there. So whenever we're looking at percentage change, we are putting the new value over the old value and then we're going to times by 100 to see what the new percentage is. So if we've got a block of land and we started at 80,000 and we're selling for 120, our new value equals 120 and our old value was 80,000. So when we do 120 divided by 80 thousands, we end up with 1.5. Okay, now that's our multiplier. So to put our multiplier into a percent, we're going to times by 100, which gives us 150%. Now, however far over 100 we are, that is what our percentage change is. So we can see here that 150, we can therefore say that our percentage change equals 50% increase because we've gone up. Okay, so that's one example. Our second example is we're at a supermarket sale, and if you're part of the advertising or the marketing team, you need to be able to advertise what percentage the sale is. Okay, so if the bread was marked at $5.20 and it's now being sold for $4.60, what can we advertise the percent decrease to be, obviously, if it's a sale? So new value is $4.60. Old value was $5.20. And then we're going to have to times that by 100 to get our percentage change. 460 divided by 520 is 0.88. If we times that by 100, we end up with 88%. Now that's less than 100, so it hasn't been discounted by 88%. It's been discounted by the difference between 88% and 100%. So if we do 100% take away 88%, we are left with a 12% decrease or 12% change. Okay, so that's how we look at percentage increase or percentage decrease.